Hi everyone, Namaskar. Myself Pawan Kumar with Understanding Mathematics. Welcome back to our previous topic work and time, work and wages, continuation first. In the previous topic, we have discussed about work and time relationship, efficiency, work and time, x y divided by x plus y, single worker to double worker to single worker, and 3-person double worker in pair. Now we are going to discuss a new discussion, that is worker to worker, more efficient or less efficient, worker to worker taking more time or less time. Eye-catching words are here. Efficient means related to efficiency. Times efficient means multiple of efficiency. Is means equal to, and means plus. Or means replacement, providing conversion value by equalizing two variables. Taking time. More days means add on, means in the previous value you have to add that many days more. Less days means subtract from the previous value. Twice means double time. Thrice means triple time. 1/4 means 1/4 time. 3/4 means 3/4 time. Of means multiply by. Let us take an example. Hari is twice efficient than Radhe. Radhe can do a work in 16 days. Then in how many days Hari will do that work? Let us see the solution. Man means Hari and Radhe. Time taken by Radhe 16 days. Work 1 work. So efficiency of Radhe is 1/16. And Hari takes double time of Radhe. So efficiency of Hari becomes automatically 2/16. Clearly, one work means 16 total work units. Efficiency of Radhe is 1. Efficiency of Hari is 2. So for Hari, total time taken to do the work is total work divided by his efficiency, means 16 divided by 2 equal to 8 days. Let us take another example. Hari takes 25% less time than Radhe to do a work. Radhe can do a work in 16 days. Then in how many days Hari and Radhe will do the same work together? Let us see the solution. Man, Hari, Radhe. Time taken by Radhe 16 days. And Hari is taking 25% less time than Radhe. So 25% means 1/4. And 1/4 of the time taken by Radhe, that is 16 days. So 16 into 1/4 means 4 days. So 16 minus 4 equal to 12 days is the time taken by Hari. Now we have to take LCM of the total time taken by Radhe and Hari. So that is 48. And 48 divided by 16 gives efficiency 3 for Radhe, and 48 divided by 12 gives efficiency 4 for Hari. Now, Hari and Radhe's combined efficiency becomes 4 plus 3 equal to 7, and total work units are 48. So 48 divided by 7 means 6, and 6 by 7 days is the time taken by Hari and Radhe together to complete the work. Let us take one more example. Radhe does as thrice work as Shyam does, and Shyam does double work as Hari does. If time taken by Hari to do a work is 16 days, find out in how many days Rajesh and Shyam do the same work together. Let us see the solution. Men, Rajesh, Shyam and Hari. Time taken by Hari is 16 days, so his efficiency is 1 by 16. As stated in the question, efficiency of Shyam is double of Hari, means 2 by 16 is the efficiency of Shyam, and Rajesh's efficiency is 3 times of Shyam, so 2 3 is 6, means 6 by 16 is the efficiency of Rajesh. We can see here combined efficiency of Rajesh and Shyam becomes 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Work means here also 1, and 1 means (16) divided by 16, means total work is 16 units. So 16 is everywhere omitted because in the denominator available in the efficiencies and work is 16 only. So total work units is 16, and based on that, total work units divided by their efficiency means 16 divided by 8 equal to 2 days is the time taken by Rajesh and Shyam to do the same work. Here we can see two sets, that is W1 and W2. W1 is the set of 3 elements, that is M1, D1, H1, and W2 is the set of 3 elements, that is M2, D2, S2. It shows a set of work is equal to other set of work, means M1, D1, H1 divided by W1 equal to M2, D2, H2 divided by W2. It shows that if in one set you make some variation, certainly that variation will affect the change in the other set also. Here M means men, D means days, H means hours, W means work. So whatever elements is not there, just leave that and take others only, and some elements being same on either side, omit these also. Means in the MDH, if H is not mentioned, we will take MD, M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. we can see here, like we have not written m1 d1 upon w1 equal to m2 d2 by w2. Why? Because in both the sets, work mentioned is 1. Elements like work, often seen as work in both sets, so easy to omit, but when one on one side and other side 1 by 4, 1 by 2 or 3 by 4 is there, please do not forget to mention it, otherwise result for one will vary. Because being both the sets equal, work valuation has to be equal. So if I write m1 d1 h1 by w1 equal to m2 d2 h2 divided by w2 and mentioning one side value 1 and other side value 1 by 4, so automatically 1 by 4 will be taking 4 times value of set 2, making it equal to set 1 value. How to remember? This is very easy to remember. Oftenly we are in the kitchen and we can see MDH, variety of spices. Let us take an example. 15 men working 8 hours a day can do a work in 20 days. 20 men working for 10 days must work for how many hours a day to complete the same work? Let us see solution. Formula is m1 d1 h1 divided by w1 equal to m2 d2 h2 divided by w2. Here m1 means number of men is 15, into d means number of days 20 days, and h1 means number of days hours is 8 hours per day, and we are not taking w1 value because both side it is 1. So taking equal value 20 men into 10 days into what hour? Question mark means the value is not known to us. By calculating this, we are getting 12 hours value for the unknown value of hours taken. Thanks for watching. To be continued. Please do like, share, or subscribe if contents provided are useful and knowledge enlightening to you.